Hello, welcome. Today I'll show you how we can easily download the Flex Shopify theme fully free from my store. You can say the Flex Shopify theme is the premium Shopify theme. It costs around around $500. It's a beautiful looking theme, and you will have a lot of feature in this theme. You can say the store using Flex theme. It's so beautiful. But today I will give you the file of the Flex Shopify theme, and it's completely free. You don't have to pay anything, and you will easily can use it on your store and any Shopify store. So don't worry, let's go what you can do. It's a Flex Shopify theme. Let's see this store, how it's looking. It has created with the Flex Shopify theme. It's looking so great, so nice looking product slider. It is a quick view section also. I'm just loving this theme. Lifestyle home decor. I think this is a product slider also, product page. And this is the nice feature. Okay, great one. And it's also a responsive theme. We can see on the mobile phone. It's fully responsible. Okay, let's move to the main point. Today I will discuss how you can easily download the Flex Shopify theme from my store. Okay, then I will give you the link of my store on the description section. When you click this link, you will come to this page. It's the Flex Shopify theme free download page. Where you are scrolling this page, then you will see this link, download now button. You will have to click on the download now button. While loading, I want to say something that I am a designer of Shopify store from Fiverr. I am a freelance designer. If you want to design your store from the Fiverr, you can ask me. I will give you the link of the Fiverr. Okay, when you open this, and you will have to click download on it. Then you will just have to download on it. Okay, Flex custom theme, it's downloading. I hope it will be downloaded soon. Now we will move to my Shopify store. It is my Shopify dashboard. It is the theme section, and now I'm using the Brooklyn theme. It is a free theme, and you can easily customize it, but it's not so good looking. It's not so premium looking thing. If you want to run a premium look store, and if you want to create your brand on your own, then you have to go with the premium theme. It's not so good for you. If you want to start with this theme, this is a Brooklyn theme. It's a free from the Shopify, but I don't think it's so good to go on. Here we can say this is the theme, and I don't like the customizable of this theme, the collection page and the product page. It's so confusing here. People don't know what is this. Okay, let's move to our Flex Shopify theme. If you want to download the Flex Shopify theme, and then you will have to add theme button, upload zip file, add file. Where I have downloaded it is Flex custom theme. Then you will have to click and open it, but I have already installed the Flex Shopify theme on my store, so I don't have to install it again. You just have to do it. Then I want to cancel it. Okay, it is the Flex Shopify theme. Then now I will do the preview, or I can publish it, duplicate it, edit code and edit language, everything I can do. So there is nothing to worry. You can easily use it on your Shopify store. Okay, I will now customize it. While customizing, you will see a lot of feature here. This is the image with text overlay. There is a 2 button. You can customize it with your own link if you see this, you can paste any link, any product link, collection link, anything here. Then you can change the image here. You can also add a mobile image also. You can add your pre-heading, heading, subheading, and you can change the color also. You can change the font, text alignment, vertical alignment, text background also. Now I want to say I will use this background. See what happens. Okay, now I want to change the color of this color. If I want to change this color, and then I want to go with this. Let's see how it's looking. Okay, it's looking not so good. I think I will go with the last color, the background. It's good, I think. Okay, there are a lot of option you can customize. There are a lot of option. You won't find any those types of option on the free Shopify free theme. So I'll highly recommend you to go with this theme. This is a so good looking theme. And the next section, no, I will give you a look at the menu. This is a mega menu. I'm using the catalog, the Shopify theme, and you can use any mega menu here. You can use menu pictures and menu product catalog, everything here. Okay, now what is this? This is the text column with icons button. You can add your link. It's a promotional types of thing. You can add something here, and the icon and the link of your collection also. This is a collection list. I'm using the men glasses trending and women glasses collection. Here is a collection list. You can customize this collection. You can change the images. You can change the button level. You can change the overlay text color. It is the kind of gray. You can change everything here. There are a lot of options, There is animation also. So collection title will image. The next section is the feature collection. This is the main thing of the whole page. You can give a look at the quick view section. It is so premium looking here. You can buy any product with the quick view, add to cart button. Okay, it's a slider actually. Then after this we have added the testimonial section. You can add anything here. The customer reviews, it's so important for you. You can change the text of it. Here I'm saying that this is the perfect shop. Shop to buy anything. Okay, this is the example. Now you will customize it on your own. Okay, you will change the info background. Let's say this is I want to change it to gray. Okay, it is changed with gray. I want to change it to red. Okay, I want to change it with white. But the theme color, the brand color of my Shopify theme was it, so I don't want to change it. So let's back. Now you can add any testimonial here. I have added 5 testimonial here. You can add anything you want. Now there is a section called add section. Here you can see the list of section you can add on this theme. Here you can add blog post, collection list, feature collection, feature promotion, gallery, and there's a lot of list. I will suggest just if you want to run a store, then you can add 5 or 6 section at most, but not more than. And you can add a testimonial section, then collection section, then feature collection and product list, and it is good to go with that. And here a lot of section, that slideshow with text, it's so good. Slideshow classic. Now we are using the slideshow with text. Okay, this is also great thing. it's looking so great. Now I am using the image, any image if you want to use. Let's say I want to use it. Okay, this is good looking image, or it you can add your own text here. You can add everything here. You can add to button here and link it to any pages. So this is the everything I have shown. Now I want to show you the product page, the main part of a store. This is the product page. Here you can see add to cart button, buy it now button, lenses, color, you can change everything. You can say you may also like button, and there's a lot of customization on the product page. Also mega menu button, you can add a block here. Also product slider, you can add block also here. You can add any pages also here. There's a lot of customization, so it's the best theme I have known for the Shopify. So I have given you the description link in the description, so download it and customize it on your own. And if you don't know how to customize it, then you can in another section, theme setting. You can change the layout of the theme, then you can change the button, elements, mega menus, colors. There are a lot of things you can change on the themes, so it is the base theme also here. If you want to see the full screen, it's looking so great. Here you can see it's looking so great. So if you want to download this theme, please check out my description and go to this link and download it. Thank you.